a dia tana jaka manata jaka tozi jaka. Nko di lava ne Helen bandi. Achu ọkụkọ nwada ma ọkụkọ nwe ngwongwo ọsọ. Tumkpọ ọkụkọ jazu ụmụ. Asị ngwa bịa o ruo ka o si eme. Drop his clothes on the bones. Udido. Nkodi namba na horo mbe. Oro ko sieme. Udido. It is done. Go and prepare for your son's arrival.
My son's arrival?
Exactly.
In the absence of love, hate is destruction. But in the midst of love, the joy is abundant. Oh no. Let love unite us. Oh yeah. Let peace surround us. Oh yeah. Ooh, so nothing can divide us. 'Cause we are one family. We are one family. We are one
Mommy, you're back. You didn't even care to let me know. I've been worried about you.
You don't need to be worried about me. You also have your brother to be worried about.
Please, please. Let me worry about you first. You're all that I have now.
I am not all that you have. You also have your brother. You should be worried about him. Listen, go in there and make preparation for his arrival.
But, Mommy, what about the execution?
Nothing like that will happen. Your brother will soon come back. Okay, you have girlfriends, don't you?
Yes.
A lot of them.
Yes.
Go in there, make preparation for all of them. I want them to come so that your brother will get married and start giving me grandchildren. Go in there, make arrangement. Go.
Mommy,
okay,
I'll
yes.
give you the best. Don't worry, Mommy. I have a lot of them sexy ones. I'll give you the best.
Mom, there is something fishy about the sudden change of Inona's mood. Like, she suddenly started becoming happy and every little thing she look out from her window as if she's expecting someone.
There is nothing fishy about her, my daughter. It is not easy for a mother to lose 2 children and a husband within 4 months. She wouldn't even get to see the cause of her only son. It is heartbreaking.
I'm here wishing she doesn't survive it.
Then why is she always looking out of her window?
It's like a movie to her. She's wishing that her children will come back to her.
Well, she better get used to the fact that her son is long gone and gone forever.
If that should happen, her daughter will take good care of her. But in absence of that, let's worry about what tomorrow will bring. And that is the coronation.
Exactly, Mom. All I want you to do is to relax your nerves and watch your son become the next king of Abagan.
I can't wait to say that to my son.
Hey, same here.
A lot has really happened within a short period of time. And it has really caused a lot of problem. But all I know is that Prince Uchechi here must get married before we crown him king, as the custom and tradition demands.
Oh no. His coronation comes up tomorrow. So how do we handle that?
Madam, it's something that we can simply handle. Your son here have to choose a maiden that he's going to spend the rest of his life with. Simple.
No, save yourself all that stress. I have one already. I have someone in my life already.
You do?
Yes, Mother.
Who is she?
Oyinye, the daughter of Mbaru.
What? Uchechi, I told you I don't like that girl. She's not good for you. She's not suitable to be a good wife to you.
But unfortunately, Mom, I told you as well that she's the right one for me. She is the one I love. She's the one I can settle with.
No one else.
You're welcome. You're not bad.
So how was your trip?
It's fine. I told you I was going to make them coronation.
Well, it's a good thing you finally showed up.
In the absence of love, hate is destruction. But in the midst of love, the joy is abundant. Oh no. Oh, let love unite us. Oh yeah. Oh, let peace surround us. Oh yeah. Ooh, so nothing can divide us. 'Cause we are one family. We are one family. We are one family. We are one family. Yeah.
What is this, my prince? What are you still doing here? Please, it's time for you to go out. Eh? We can't keep the guests waiting so long. You can even hear the one there's a music troupe. They are outside there. You can hear them playing. They can't wait for so long.
Hey, please, you don't shout on me, alright? Tell whoever that I will join them when it's time, okay?
Cancel the coronation. I've had a long flight and I'm exhausted. I can't be part of any activities now. I need to see my mother.
Why is everybody rushing back home?
Oh, that's because the coronation is cancelled.
Cancelled?
Yes.
Why?
Oh, you haven't heard. The oldest son of King Ifekandu, the one that was in the prison, just returned and cancelled the coronation. Excuse me, sir.
Welcome.
But it's not fair. Why would these people bring person outside and take that person inside just like that?
The information we received from your brother was that you were long dead. And his mother was busy trying to cover him up because she never wanted the kingship of Abagana kingdom to slip off her son's hands. So we waited for a very long time. But you didn't come back. You even gave your mother time that was exhausted. So we concluded for real that you were dead. So I and my cabinet members decided to crown your younger brother the king of Abagana kingdom because the throne of Abagana kingdom should not be left empty.
Where is my brother?
Officers, arrest this fool. He's a criminal, a fugitive, and an ex-convict. You are under arrest.
Nobody.
Arrest him.
And I repeat, nobody arrests anybody in the palace of Abagana kingdom.
Why?
Nobody. Talk more of the proposed king of this kingdom. It is not done.
I am the proposed king of this kingdom. Therefore, they will take orders from me. Officers, arrest this muggle or anyone that dares to stop you. Sakaka! Get him! Get him, my friend.
Uchechi. Nobody ever arrests me and goes scot-free. And as for the throne of this kingdom, you and your generations unborn will never sit on it because you were not born to be king.
Officer, move him. Move! Mogo. Mogo. Let me see how you and your generations will serve from that prison. I will make sure you spend the rest of your miserable life in that prison. Mogos. Nonsense. What are you looking at? Get out of this palace.
You see, royal matters are not settled in the police station or anywhere outside the palace. Please, release the prince for us so that we can go home and settle whatever dispute he has with his brother. DBO, you and I know that this is a civil matter and could be settled at home. Release the prince.
I understand everything you said, Uno. We'll release the prince to you so that you can go home and settle the matter.
That is why I said that the police are your friends. But they will not understand. Thank you very much.
Police are your friend. Yeah.
At the appropriate time, I will come and appreciate you. And thank you very much.
That is a token of appreciation for serving me relentlessly. Especially now that we have an intruder in our midst. I do not want you to take order from anyone except me. If you try it, I won't only skin you alive, I will have your corpse thrown to the vultures.
Thank you. Mogo. Yes, my prince.
Another Mogo.
You should know that locking a man like me up in a prison in my father's land, after spending years in prison abroad, cannot break me down.
I never wanted to break you down. I just wanted to put you to where you rightfully belong. You belong in the prison and not in the palace. And that is where you would definitely go back to.
What is this demon that has come over you to the point that you cannot even offer your brother a warm embrace?
Embrace kill you there. Listen, Izundu, I can do anything possible to make sure that no one sits on that throne which rightfully belongs to me. Not when I'm still alive.
I'm the first son of my father, the king. I don't know what madness has gotten into you to the point that you actually think you'll be coronated when the first son is still alive? You're making a mistake, man.
No. No, he-goat. You are the one making a mistake. You are not the first son of my father. The throne of Abagana belongs to me. A criminal, an ex-convict, a drug dealer can never rule me, not when I'm still alive.
And you are not afraid what a criminal, an ex-convict, and a drug dealer can do to you, huh?
Afraid of you? No. Afraid of you, Izundu. I can never be afraid of you. I am going to fix another date for my coronation. Alright? And if you try to do anything funny, I want to javelin. You hear? You will be mummified.
I hope I am invited to your coronation.
Hell no. I don't invite ex-convict for my coronation. You don't deem fit to come for that.
My brother.
Get your hands off me.
Incoming king, you.
I'm here to let you know that I have finally decided to fix another date for my coronation. So as a reputable member of the cabinet of our dear kingdom, as a mark of respect, I give you this. This is a token too. I don't know what you want to do with it, but use it to support yourself. But this is to make sure that you back me up on the D-Day.
But my prince,
there is no but. And where any but for any reason, I, I will personally make sure that you disappear from the face of the earth if you abscond from my coronation. One name why you big as well for Nanya. One Mbagi Champions League in easy. Me fenga bagi home and away.
Prince Uchechi,
take this money. My prince.
Believe me, I will never miss out in the coronation. You are already my king. I will do everything within my reach to make sure you sit on that throne. Yes.
Nffozi, Igbo guy man elder. In fact, and I'm happy to do things with people like you. That is what I'm talking about. Have this.
All this for me.
This is a token compared to what you stand to gain when I ascend the throne. One day, I will shock you. Nchieze, nge jiego piago talemo. Na one nchieze, nge jiego piago talemo.
Mwana yeze.
Ona mangala nebuga.
Mwana yeze.
Ona abazanku.
Mwana yeze.
My prince, I will forever be indebted to you. At least with this money, I can now take my sick daughter to the hospital. You have just saved her life. Thank you very much. And I will fight with all the blood in my vein to ensure that you secure your dream of ruling this kingdom. Thank you, my prince. I'm very grateful.
That is quite impressive, Ichie Maduka. Ifoge, Ihenge Diego Megi Amandema.
Hello.
I will give you more money.
Thank you.
You see, as long as you decide to keep to your promise of making me achieve my dreams, of sitting on that throne, which rightfully belongs to me, forget the rest. As a matter of fact, this money is meant to be for my coronation.
Okay.
But you can keep it for your daughter.
Thank you very much.
If it's not enough, call on me. I will get you more. I will also send my guards to bring money for the coronation. Start with the process immediately. We don't have time. I take my leave.
Oh, thank you.
I cannot sell my soul to slavery and bring shame to my family and to my own self because of money. I am no longer a child. I am fully aware that Izundu is the first son of King Ifeka, and he is the heir apparent to the throne of Abagana Kingdom. He should be the king and not you.
If I get you right, you are suggesting that a criminal, an ex-convict, should be allowed to rule this, our great kingdom, where a capable prince like me is available to sit on the throne. Is that what you mean?
My prince, you people said that he is an ex-convict. We did not see it. We only heard that he was in prison in a foreign land. I did not see it, and you don't expect me at this age to believe whatever I hear. Izundu is the heir apparent to the throne of Abagana Kingdom, and he should sit on that throne to rule his people, and not you. Whosoever is pushing you to contest for this is trying to kill you. I'm sorry, my prince. I cannot take this bribe.
Efoge, Ibumogo, I will shock you.
He came to my house and I heard that he went to all the houses of the cabinet members with parcel of money. He threatens to make Ono disappear if he fails to crown him the king.
Ichienkanu, this is serious.
Very, very serious.
This is serious and it's getting out of hand. Ichienkanu, we need to do something urgently about it.
Well, you're right. I think I know what to do. But equally, I don't want to disappear. I don't like taking bribe.
Disappear?
Because the thing is...
Which one is disappear?
I don't like you hearing you people talking like this. Talking like women. Hey, disappear. Who is going to make you disappear? Listen, nobody is going to disappear. If the needful is properly done, nobody will disappear.
I think you're right. Let me go and fix up things.
That is what I want to hear from you.
We'll see tomorrow.
My prince, he came to my house this morning with a parcel of money. And he had already gone to the house of all the cabinet members with parcels of money. You won't believe it. He had already picked a date for his coronation. And he wants me, to crown him the king. And if I don't, he's going to make me disappear. My king, I don't want to disappear. This land of Abagana will kill me if I crown him king when my prince is still alive and you are present. Please, my prince, I don't want to disappear.
Oh no, you will not disappear. I promise you that.
In that case, we'll be having a meeting tomorrow. Try as much as you can to be in that meeting so that we can sort these things out.
All right, I will. I will attend the meeting.
Good.
And thank you for doing what is right.
Good.
I shall take my leave now. Coming back home to the absence of my brother and my father is enough to bother me. Coupled with the fact that my stepbrother goes around the village throwing money and bribing the elders just so he can be coronated.
He's doing what?
You heard me. But I am sure I know what to do about that.
Oh, that's okay. I think the right thing to do now is you get a wife, pick any maiden of your choice, get married to her, and start giving me grandchildren. You know you can marry as many women as you want. Then after that we can fight for the throne.
I found one already, mother.
You do?
Yes. We met abroad and I'm sure you like her.
Oh, I see. Whatever you like is okay by me. All you need to do is invite her to the palace. Let's get familiar. Maybe from there we'll plan, get to her place and pay her bride price. Yes.
Yes, I have intentions of doing that. That's why we came back together.
You are too much. Thank you.
Thank you, Mom.
Thank you.
I'll invite her over.
It's okay. Let me go in and continue with what I was doing.
Correct, Mom. I'll be in soon.
In the absence of love, hate is destruction. But in the midst of love, the joy is abundant. Oh no. Oh, let love unite.
My love,
Yes, darling.
I spoke to my mom about you and she cannot wait to meet you.
Are you for real?
Yes.
Wow, what a coincidence. I also spoke to my mom about you and she too can't wait to meet you.
Really?
Yes. Now the problem is, who do we go see first?
No, my mom. Because I told you first. So we'll meet my mom after my yours.
Okay, you win then. We
Yeah.
go see her this evening. Is that okay by you?
So soon?
Of course, I can't wait to make you mine and take you all to myself.
And I can't wait to make you mine too, baby. All right, sweetie. I will see you later.
All right, dear. Take care of yourself.
All right. Cool. All right.
Wait to see this young man that has finally swept you off your feet.
Mommy, please stop. Okay, fine. Don't worry yourself. You will see him in the evening.
So after turning down the heads of all the suitors that seek your hand in marriage, this one finally hits the spot in your heart.
There must be something about him. Of course, Mommy. There is something special about him. You're yet to find out, but you will definitely find out. Don't worry, he'll be here by evening. You'll get to meet him. Don't worry. You'll see him in the evening. I promised you that. Of course I will. Yes. Mommy. You're welcome, my love. Come in.
Thank you. You have a nice place here.
Thank you very much.
So how is your father and your mother?
My father is alright, but he's not at home at the moment. He went to settle land dispute at Akachukwu. He will soon be back. Meanwhile, let me come in. Be seated, please.
Thank you.
Hi, Mommy.
Oh.
Mommy,
Greetings, Your Majesty.
Meet the man I've always told you about. Izundu.
Yes.
What are you doing with my daughter?
We're seeing each other. She's my fiancée.
Impossible.
Mommy.
Over my dead body will you marry my daughter?
Mommy.
I will never allow that to happen. Not my daughter or anybody related to me.
Mommy, what are you saying?
I don't want to see you anywhere close to this kingdom. Or even my daughter.
Mommy. Baby. What's happening? Do you know my mom? Have you met her? Oh, please. My love, wait. Oh my God. Wait, please. Hold on. Mommy. Mommy, what happened? Mommy, why would you do that? Why would you embarrass my visitor? Why would you?
My daughter, you will not understand. And you will never understand.
Okay, make me understand. I am willing to understand. What did you do?
You will never marry that boy.
What are you telling me? He is the one I'm in love with. I love him with everything in me. I love him so much. I'd rather die than live without him. It's not possible, Mommy. I love him so much. I can die if I'm not with him, please.
My daughter, you will never die. But you can't marry him. And I will not want you to go anywhere close to that boy again.
But why, Mommy? Why are you doing this to me? You are my mother. You have always wanted the best for me as your daughter. So why are you not the one causing me pains? Why are you taking my happiness away from me, Mother? Why?
I want your happiness as my only daughter. That That is why I insist that you will not marry that man.
Mommy,
don't even dream of
Mommy, I must marry him! No, Mommy, I must! Oh, Mommy, I'm sorry. Okay, I'm sorry I yelled at you. I'm sorry. Mommy, please have mercy on me. I am just in love, okay?
I will never discuss this with you.
Leave me. Mommy! Mommy!
I am here to warn you, to tell your son to stay away from my daughter. She is my only child, the only thing I have got, the only princess of Abacha Kingdom. You and I know that I will never sit back and watch your son turn my only daughter into after 18 months of marriage. Impossible.
Ngozi, what is happening?
Your son has an answer to that. Anytime I will see your son anywhere around my daughter. Oh my God.
Mommy, what is happening? What is the problem, Mommy? Talk to me.
Nothing.
Did you do anything to Norma's mother? Because I'm sure I didn't.
No, and no one did. I guess she's angry because she doesn't want you to marry her daughter.
Why?
I do not know why. And I will advise you both stay out of it until I get to the root of it.
I don't care. I am not going to stay away from the woman I love simply because of whatever issue you have with her. I'm going ahead to get married to her whether you like it or not. With or without your consent. Or hers.
Mommy, what is happening? I thought Queen Ngozi is your best friend. Why would she ask Izundu? That she put in great effort to make sure he came back, not to marry her only daughter. What is happening, Mom? Mommy?
You are my only child, and equally my only source of happiness. I will never stand in your way of happiness, or even dream of stopping any good thing that is coming your way. But one thing I want you to know is this. Prince Izundu is one person I will never allow to marry you, not even in my grave. Prepare your mind to live without him. Because anything you are planning with him is null and void.
With due respect, Mother, but I'm telling you to your face that you do not have any right whatsoever to choose a life partner for me. You don't! What are we talking about, Mother? I am old enough to choose a man I want to marry. And I've chosen Prince Izundu. He's the man I'm going to spend the rest of my life with, whether you like it or not.
I am your mother, and I am in the position to choose who will marry you. Makana Oko, Adaka Onyekolia.
Oh, really?
Really? Let's see then.
Elders of our land, I greet you all and thank you for coming. You see, it's high time we changed the pattern of selecting a king in our family. I can never sit back and watch a common criminal, an ex-convict, Onyori Enwero street cred. I can never watch him sit on the sacred throne of Abagana. Or possible. What happens to the reputation of our kingdom? So I suggest that we should have a rethink.
I have thought about this, and I think procedure is right.
Oh, I need to put your Madam Marifonio.
And you know, kings are idols, and someone that people, especially the younger ones, they look up to.
Role models. Role models.
I don't want to be ruled by a drug addict and an ex-convict. How can I be proud speaking outside this kingdom, knowing that my king was once and is still a criminal?
Keep quiet. Keep quiet there. If you have nothing to say here, keep quiet.
Sorry now.
Excuse me. Have you seen Prince Izundu dealing on drugs? Or have you seen him stealing from other people's purse? All these things you people are saying here, all these allegations are just lies. We cannot prove it. And listen, I can never be part of any conversation that will support a younger brother agitating to be made a king. Why the elder brother is still alive and healthy? Listen, what are the good news of the It is not done!
So you don't have good paper? No, you don't read papers. You're asking where? Okay.
Yes, in some cases.
Oh, tell me.
We cannot impose someone on us who is not qualified and eligible to rule this kingdom simply because of age bracket. We should be thinking of the way forward, and not to be thinking of who is older and who is young.
Oga Baloy.
Right now, we should be thinking is to vote or select someone who will rule this our great kingdom of Abad.
My fellow elders, ụmụazị makwa na ume ekwu egwu aja ọgaranya nwanụ onwelụkwana ife mebiri emebi adịrị emezi. I think we should go home and ponder on this and then come back in the next meeting and plan for a way of selecting a new king for Abagana Kingdom. For now, this meeting is over.
Of love, hate is destruction.
Greetings, Your Majesty.
I remember warning you not to step your foot into this kingdom again. What are you doing here?
Your Majesty, I'm sorry, but I have come to see my fiancée, please. Could you let her know I'm here?
Oh, I like the boldness, but I will never do anything like that. Today I will give you the last respect because you are royalty. Next time I will see you anywhere around in this kingdom, I will have you killed and your body cremated. Now get out of this palace!
Your Majesty, I'm sorry, but what have I done to deserve this? This hatred. If there's anything I have done wrong in any way, why don't you just let me know so I'll apologize? Why treat me in this manner? Why prevent me from getting married to the only woman my heart beats for?
You will never marry her. Because that's your heart will never beat for.
What is the meaning of this? Why? Sorry, please, could you please help me tell the princess that I'm here to see her?
Oh yeah. When hate divides us, oh no. Then we all wake up, wake up. Oh yeah. But when love unites us, oh yeah, we will be stronger, stronger, oh yeah. I will get it going outside the world, yeah. Aqua, isi kabweze, oh. Aqua, onye Chukwu chọrọ ya kabweze, oh. Oh no. Let love unite us. Oh, yeah.
My prince, I fear you will lose the throne and the love of your life if you do not do something fast.
So what do you suggest I do?
My prince, money is the only thing that can solve this problem right now.
And you think I don't know that?
My prince, I know you do. But my fear is that you do not know how to go about it.
Of course I don't. Do you?
Yes, my prince. My prince, I have somewhere I can take you to. And you can borrow any amount of money you want in this world. And you can pay back whenever you want to.
Are you sure about this?
Yes, my prince. I am very sure.
Okay, you'll take me there.
Alright, my prince, I will. Good. Do not worry about anything.
Oh yeah. When hate divides us, oh no. Then we all wake up, wake up. Oh yeah. But when love unites us, oh yeah, we will be stronger, stronger, oh yeah. I will get it going outside. Oh no. Let love unite us. Oh, yeah. Let peace surround us. Oh yeah.
Is this the God-forsaken place where I'm going to borrow the money?
Yes, my prince. But we just have to park here. We can't drive further than this. The other parts are not motorable. My prince, the journey has just begun. Follow me.
Oh no. Oh, let love unite us. Oh yeah. Oh, let peace surround us. Oh yeah. Ooh, so nothing can divide us. Cause we are one family. We are one family. We are...
Welcome to the great shrine of Ayolo.
Nobody comes to the great shrine of Ayolo and goes home empty-handed. And what do you seek from Ayolo?
I have come to borrow money.
Ayolo is willing to give to you whatever you seek. But you must be willing to pay back that you promised and when to pay back.
And when will you pay back to Ayolo?
I will pay back in a year and 6 months.
Your demands from the great Ayolo will be granted. You must keep a collateral for the great Ayolo to keep forever.
I don't have a collateral to keep, and that is why I have come to borrow in the first place.
Look around. All these cars, money, dead bodies, they all belong to people that couldn't pay back Ayolo as I went to. You must give something to Ayolo for him to release whatever it is you want. And if you fail to pay back, all this you use as collateral automatically belongs to him.
I cannot remember telling you I wanted to borrow money from the graveyard. Did you see the dead bodies there? Is that how you want me to end up?
No, my prince. Those are dead bodies of people used as collateral. From people that has failed to meet up their deadlines. But I know, my prince, you will meet up.
I don't have anybody to use as collateral. In fact, I'm not going back there again. Come take me out of here. Now! Are you still there?
My prince.
One that time. I acquire Champions League is home and away.
What's happening here?
Now one day, Buzimuku, Nffozi. I am entertaining my cabinet members. That is one thing the father never did when he was alive.
Uchechi nidi mama. Uchechi nidi anyima. Onye chimereze na mmadụ apụghị na ya. Onye chimereze na mmadụ apụghị na ya. Oyoyo.
Oh my God. One name me also so. Name me also.
Uchechi nidi anyima. Uchechi nidi anyima. Onye chimereze na mmadụ apụghị na ya. Onye chimereze na mmadụ apụghị na ya. Oyoyo.
My prince, where are we going to?
I'm going back to the shrine of Ayolo.
To do what?
To borrow. Now get into the car and take me to the shrine of wealth.
Yes, my prince.
Bring the clothes of any of your blood relation that you would like to use as a collateral.
Only then can you be eligible to get what you seek from the shrine of Ayolo, the greatest god of wealth and treasures.
Ayolo!
Ayolo! Ayolo!
Ayolo!
Ayolo!
Ayolo! Drop the cloth before our great mother, Ayolo. From this minute to the exact day that makes it 12 months.
If you don't return whatsoever you took from this shrine, then the great Ayolo will take your collateral and keep it forever.
I've heard wisely. I also want to take the house.
Take whatever thing you wish to have from this shrine. But remember, you must return it the exact day you promised, or your collateral will become ours.
Put me on the thrones of my fathers. Give me salute like a ruler. Give me respect like a leader. Is it impossible? Is it too much to ask? Oh yeah, oh na na. I am running this race like a winner, fighting this fight like a soldier, and victory is mine. I will never, never back down. In this game I've drawn, in this game I've drawn, someone will win and someone will lose, but I will never back down.
Odogwa de funamba Mweze Ibeh Ife niile mebezia Nemo Potaba n'ife adigo mma Onye si na obuli omegide Ife adigo mma Asim otolo babu eno biye Kitik babu onye no biye Ife adigo mma Nemo Odogwa nabo Odogwa nabo Okome. Okome. Odogwu ka mbụ. Ọmụ mmadụ. Ogini na-eme. Ogini na-eme. Ogini na-eme. Welie.
Okome. Okome. Oke mụnwe ukomọ.
Mmadụ ka mbụ.
Anụ kọlụkụ na
Mmadụ ka mbụ.
Nwa m ọkọlọbịa oyibo.
Onye si na wụrụ eme.
Nwa m ọkọlọbịa oyibo.
Onye ka ọ bụ. Hey!
Hey! Welie!
Hey! 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 Hey!
Okome! 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 Onye isi ọgba ife oge eme Lexington Palace.
Power one away.
Do you have anything to say? Do you have anything to say? Rubbish. Money talking.
Ọmụnwa bụ ụtalị mmụọ aba na-abụ n'ọgwụ. Na negodi dis Timba Bini afi ilu ọ na ọ bụ chairman. Ngwe ya na mmụọ bụ head of state. Telu, ọ na this kingdom. Nwa ka ọ na-eme drama. Nna m si m ife ga-emesi na a ga-agba bazooka na this kingdom. Nwanne a ga-agba bazooka. Mmadụ niile ga-anwụsịzi. Ọmụnwa bụ ụtalị igwe na-agwa gị. Gị wezu ndụ. Mwa ka agbaka na-egwu a akwa egwu a ga-agbasi egwu a.
In this game I've drawn, in this game I've drawn, someone will win and someone will lose, but
Please don't remove my name from that show. I will do whatever you want me to do, please. I don't want to die. I don't want to die, please. I'm begging you. Get out from there.
My darling little sister.
She will not die. She will not die.
I am sorry it is already late. I will not remove your name from that shrine. There is no point begging me. You just get up and go inside and prepare to die so that your corpse will go and be deposited at that shrine.
Please.
Rest in peace, baby.
Come on, sit down. Izundu.
Rest in peace.
Izundu. 24 hours.
Rest in peace.
24 hours.
She will die.
It's a lie.
She will die.
She
will die.
I'm begging you,